how to fix Instagram song problem easily and fast. In today's tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. So first thing you wanna do guys is just open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you wanna do here is wait a few seconds, and after you see the apps, now you have to scroll until you find Instagram like this. When you find Instagram, you have to click on it. And when you click on it, it will take you to the app information page, and right here on this page you will find and fix the problem. First thing, click on this force stop option and then click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the storage permission. Go back, click on the data usage, make sure also that all the data usage options are enabled. Now click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and go back to the settings of your phone. Now you have to open the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.